Crescent's Create and Show Conservation Kit has everything you need to show and protect your art. The Create and Show Conservation Kit is designed to help artists quickly and cost-efficiently prepare for shows while protecting the art with conservation-quality mats, mounting boards, and crystal-clear acrylic bags. Perfect for art and photography. Choose from the 11x14 kit that features a 7.5-inch by 9.5-inch image opening, or the 8x10 kit that features a 4.5-inch by 6.5-inch image opening. Begin by securing the art to the durable mounting board. Next, add the conservation quality mat, and finally, protect your art from damage with the resealable clear acrylic display bag. Conservation quality and professional results made simple. Protecting and displaying artwork is easier than ever. The Create and Show Conservation Kit from Crescent. Available in fine art supply shops near you.